Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I kind of said I would do one that looked like there's links going between the two links. And so if you didn't watch the first video, you might want to watch it. I blended those, and there's 32 blends on this path. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to make a duplicate of it. I'm going to move it over, and I'm going to hit T on the keyboard and put it to the, kind of used them as a top. But then I'm going to blend this 32 times, same amount. I'm going to go to New Path, go along and go ahead and rotate all objects and blend to full path. Now you see what it did, it put it right in the middle. So what you do is you find out which one of these is a control curve, and you can just move it. That didn't work. Let's move it the other direction. Now this one, there we go. So you just move your control curve. There's always two control curves. It's the ending and the start. And just to kind of show you an example of that, we'll make 2 of these, and we'll blend these two. I'm going to hit B and put it at the bottom of the page and make them equal. We're going to blend it 20 times. Let's put on a path. Grab your blend, put on a path, new path, blend along full path and rotate objects. So these two is your control curve, the first one and the last one. Because if you break this apart, you can't until you pick the whole blend. Well, you have to select it all and then go to Arrange and break blend apart. And then each one of these is individual. So you've got a control curve. Now it's just a rectangle because I broke the blend apart. But if we look right here, it's a control curve and a control curve, and these are just the blend. So if you wanted to change, you could grab this control curve and move it in. Move this in, and it'll change your whole blend. Hope that wasn't too confusing, and then what you do is you just click on this, go to Arrange, and, well, I might have already broken them apart. Nope. Let's select it all. Sometimes when you pick something that doesn't do anything, and this doesn't come up, you need to select the whole thing. There we go. I removed my blend, or I removed the path. That's a pretty good looking chain. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.